Good good day, Sir Rico. I'm Elumabea Clarispi from BSIT NST 280, and I am with Dennis Carlo Y. Echage for the TUPT domain finals or case study. So here's the part one, which is the domain controller as TUPT domain.com. So we have here the product key, which is a TMT 240 X9 RMF VWXK6 X83C9 BFGM2. So click next. We have to wait. So now we have to choose the Windows Server 2008 Enterprise Full Installation and click next. I accept the license terms. Next, custom advanced. And next. So we just have to wait for the installation of our Windows. So after Windows installation, we just have to wait our computer to set up. So now the installation is now completed. We just have to wait for the device to restart. So we have here, okay. We have to change the administrator passwords, and the password that I chose is strong, which is it contains characters and numbers and uppercase and lowercase letters. So wait, that's been changed and we're just waiting to the desktop to open or prepare. And we just have to wait for the initial configuration tasks to appear. So here's the initial configuration tasks. Now we have to set the time zone first, and we're going to set the time zone into Hong Kong. Okay. And change the time. And the date, it's 35. It's the May 2. Okay. And okay. Now we have to configure our networking. So here's the local area connection. So in configuring or to determine our IP address, we have to use a CMD and ipconfig command, which shows here the IP address is 10.0.2.15. So now we're going for the local area connection. We have to go to the properties. So left click and then properties. We have to choose the Internet Protocol for version 4 or the IPv4 and use the following IP address. And the following IP address that we're going to use is 10.0.2.15. And for the subnet mask, we have here the 255, the 255, the 255.0. And for the preferred default gateway, first we have the 10.2.2. And here in the preferred DNS server, we have the 192.168.1.1. 1.1. So, okay. And then we have to close it. Now, we are going to add or provide computer name and domain. We can name this as BSIT. The computer name must be changed for BSIT. BSIT. Okay. Okay. So we have to restart our computer. So we have restarted our computer. So I have entered there my password. And now we have here, we have to wait the initial configuration task to appear. And we can add roles. Okay. I have to click next. And the active domain services next. Next. Install. So we're just going to wait a bit for the installation of active domain services. So we have here the installation was, or we have the installation is complete. Now we're going to click the link provided as the installation results, and this is the close wizard launch to the and launch the Active Directory domain. Next, next, create a new domain. Create a new domain in a new forest. Next, and our forest root domain must be tupt.com. tupt.com. And click next. Just going to wait for the loading. So I've chosen the Windows 2000 next and the Windows 2000 native. Okay, next. Okay, yes. Next. Yes. Next. Password. We have to set again a password that says strong characters. And next. And we're just going to wait for the Active Directory domain services to be installed.